Hi everybody, let's see how your love life is in May, and this is for fire signs. I've done earth and I've done air, and this is now fire signs. Let's see what's going to happen in the month of May. And the last card I got here while shuffling is reconciliation. So things are going to be right. You're going to talk. If you two were fighting, things are going to get better. Don't have to worry about any of the fights or anything, any problems in the relationship. I think you really care for each other. The guy really cares for you. That's what I get. And I get a soulmate energy here. Let's see what are the messages for you for the month of May. What messages do I get for the month of May? Give your relationship another chance. Great. So this is reconciliation. This is beautiful. You didn't want a second chance. That's what I get. But the other person wants a second chance. So I feel you did turn away. I feel once you said no, I'm not going, I do not want to try, I don't want to mend this relationship, or I don't want to try, but this is like, you giving in and saying yes, I think our relationship needs another chance, and that's very beautiful. Yes, worth waiting for. So wait for the results, work on the relationship, fire signs, see what happens, because this is a beautiful relationship. And I also feel you guys getting married and having kids. I don't know why, but I have to say this. I feel two beautiful kids. That's what I feel. And I think divine timing will work like it says. It's a relationship that's worth waiting for. Okay, so be calm. I also feel fire signs right now in May. You need to be more calm. You need to be more patient with the loved one, whoever you're dealing with, and I think things will be much better. I think you really want kids, fire signs, and that's what I said. See, the moment I said you really want kids, I got two kids here. I don't know why, but two was the number I was getting. I don't know if you're listening to this reading and you're married and you have two kids, one boy, one girl, but I really feel two kids. It's from fire signs. Probably I'm just picking up one person's energy, one woman's energy. It's like someone who really wants to be a mom in me, and you've been doing everything. You've been going to the doctors, or you really want a baby, and it's been hard for you. But I think May should bring you some good news. And I told you I got babies, and this is the card that I got. You're not codependent anymore on your partner. You two are very different energies. You two are very different people. But again, no, even if you're two very different people, I think you work well together, and that's beautiful, because even though you've been together for a lot of years, I don't know why I get a lot of years. There's no codependency on each other. It's like, it's like you let the person be, and you kind of know that, even in a relationship or whatever, there are boundaries, and the other person needs free time. You do not ask many questions to the other person. That's what I get. I don't know why, because I don't feel you're the person. You like someone who does why, where, how, when, whatever happened, and you're not codependent on the other person, which is also a great thing, because you're two different people. You like two different things, and you give space to each other, which is the most important, I think. Fire signs, no red flags in the situation. I get everything is fine, because this is come reversed, so all is fine. May is going to be a good month when it comes to love. That's what I get. I feel one of you doesn't forgive easily. That's the message that I get. You do not forgive easily. You always remember if something happens, and you always bring it up, which is not so good. But yes, for some of you, I get fire signs. You're looking for your soulmate. May is the time you might find someone. That's what I feel. I told you, this is children. There are children involved in the situation. Whatever it is, okay. Two kids. I told you, a boy and a girl. That's what I'm getting again and again. I don't know what the situation is about, or probably you were childhood sweethearts. You know each other for a long time. That's another thing that I message that I think works here. You know each other for so long, or probably I do not know, because I'm a medium also. I always get strange messages. It's like some past life connection. You both knew each other. When you were kids, as kids, you went to the same school. Something to do with the past life connection, and you back again together in this life. And I do not know if this is right, but do write in the comment section, because that's how you feel about each other. And I really feel whoever's listening to this, it's like having two kids, or wanting another kid. Probably you have one kid and you want another kid. I told you this. There are kids involved, guys. I hope there are no family problems, because I feel there are kids involved in the situation. Because another story that I get, I hope you guys are not separating, because who the kids will stay with, or those kind of messages, because I'm getting the kids card a lot right now. And when the same kind of card, or the same card keeps coming in my reading, when I shuffle and I again get those cards, so I really feel that's the angels are saying that this is a family issue. Maybe there is something here. you know it's like wondering that 2 days you will see me, 2 days you'll see your dad. There is some kind of issue here, fire signs. Something to do with kids. Wedding is gonna happen for a lot of you. You found your soulmate. That's what I feel. Very much in love. Or you just got married and you start talking about kids. That could be another thing that I get. Playfulness. Yes, a very playful energy. That's how you two are. May is going to be like this. A lot of flirtiness, a lot of playfulness, spending time with each other. I get a lot of messages, exchanging a lot of messages. I think that's what you do. A lot of WhatsApp messages. I think a lot of pictures and making the other person laugh. That's what I get. You like when the other person laughs, and you do that always. Fire sign. Let me see what signs you could be involved with. Let's see the zodiac signs. Fire sign Libra. You could be involved with a Libra. That's beautiful. And there is a balance and harmony in the relationship. That's what you're seeking also. Are you seeking harmony in the relationship? That's what May is all about, balancing things. Even if as a family, if you've got kids and it's not working out, you're trying to balance things. Sorry for the light. Suddenly the sun's come up. It was a little dark and cloudy, but now it's like the sun's come up. So it's changing. The light is changing again and again. So that's why I'm also shifting. So there's not much flash on the screen. So I think this is one. And look what I got here, at the end of the deck. This is mother child. There is something to do with children here, fire signs. Something emotional, an emotional bond. Because when I was talking right now, it was more like, it's somebody being very emotional about something, like a lot of tears rolling down. I hope in a happy way. I feel some of you are having a tough time. Remember, this is a general reading, could be just one of you, okay? Somebody's having a tough time, Are you carrying the weight of your family, the whole load? Some kind of a responsibility, fire sign. Just be careful, okay? Another message that I get is, fire sign, you've been taking too much, you've just been paying attention to your work. You're not really looking after your family. Was that a bone of contention, or that a problem? That because you were not taking care of your family, and it was like you're not taking much time out for us. What's the use? I got Libra again, so I'm sure you're going out with a Libra. Your partner is a Libra. One more sign. Scorpio. Water sign. Water sign is coming up a lot. I hope you work on your relationship, because I feel kids are involved in some way. That's what I feel. Let's see what other messages that I get for you, fire signs. Yes, you want a happy home. That's your want. I feel really a desire coming, out, and it's almost like I can feel it. It's want of a good home. Sorry, the cards are gonna fly. I got really excited. It's like want of a new home, wanting happy times together. I feel you want the family to be together. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going back to the same thing, but sometimes it happens like psychics. It's like we have to say it again and again, because that's I'm speaking to one person. I'm picking up the energy of one person. It's like want of a home, want of the family to be together, want the kids to be together, all of you to be together and enjoy life, have a nice home. And somebody is really working hard for that. I get another story. You're really working hard so that you can keep your family together. So these are a lot of stories in one, guys. For fire signs, I'm getting a lot of stories. And you want to build a good future. That's what I get with the person you're seeing with. You're looking forward to it. You're looking in the future. You've done looking at the past. That's what I get. Past. There's nothing in the past for you. You're done with the past. Sorry, I'm going to adjust it because I'm getting too much light on my eyes. Yeah. So the past is gone for you. You're ready for the future, or are you ready for the future? That's another message that I get. Already ready for the future. You've done everything. You're like, it's the words like, doesn't matter. I'll take care of the future. Let's see what it brings. I'm ready for it. So those are the words that I get. So these were your messages, fire signs, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. Though it was mostly about the kids, I don't know why, but I still feel there's a lot of kid energy that I got from this reading, fire signs. It was totally different. So I'll be back with another reading. Thank you so much. Do leave a comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.